What does water vapor form when it cools suddenly? It is called mist. In Hindi, we say dhund, and in Marathi, we say dhuke. It is most commonly seen where warm, moist air meets sudden cooling. You must have seen children in movies. When it is very cold and the person talks, we feel that there is smoke coming out from their mouth. But actually, it is the warm, moist air from our body which is causing this phenomenon. When there is thick mist on a cold day, we cannot see things clearly. Like as you can see in this picture, it looks like as if the clouds are moving. Even trains and flights are cancelled because the pilot and the motorman can hardly see after a short distance. From what do fruits develop? All fruits, children, grow from flowers. A banana flower turns into a banana fruit. A pomegranate flower turns into a pomegranate. So all fruits grow from a flower. But remember, all flowers don't grow into a fruit. Example, a rose will remain a rose. A sunflower remains a sunflower. A lotus, a jasmine, a marigold, they don't turn into fruits. But a mango tree bears mango flowers which turn into mangoes. A cherry grows from a cherry flower. A guava grows from a guava flower. From what is leather made? Leather is made from the hides of animals. What are hides then? Hides are the skin of the animal. People kill tigers, zebras, snakes, leopards, crocodiles, etc. just for their skin. Leather is made from their skin. Bags, purse, shoes, boots, jackets, wallets, belts, etc. are made from leather. Where do leaves, flowers, and fruits grow? Leaves, flowers, and fruits, children, grow on the stem of a plant. The roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. The stem gives support to the plant and stores food for the plant. The leaves prepare plant food. The flowers add beauty to the plant, and the fruits attract the birds and animals. Branches, children, are also a part of the stem. So leaves, flowers, and fruits grow on a stem. What is impure water called? Impure water is also called contaminated water. Water that is not clean and fit for drinking is called contaminated or impure water. Joy's teacher has taught you how to make impure water fit for drinking by filtration, boiling, by adding alum to impure water, straining, etc. Contaminated water, children, is full of germs, bacteria, and living organisms which can be harmful to us. Drinking impure water can also lead to death. All water that looks clean is not really clean. Boiling is the safest way to kill germs present in water. What is the spreading of the seeds of a tree far and wide called? The spreading of the seeds of a tree far and wide is called dispersal of seeds. It is the spreading of the seeds far away from the parent plant, as a tree cannot move. So trees' children spread their seeds with the help of wind, like you see in this picture. Birds, animals, water, etc. What is the method of spraying water on the crops rather than pouring into the soil called? It is called sprinkle irrigation. An irrigation sprinkler, children, is used to water crops in a field, gardens, golf courses, and playgrounds. Look at this picture. This is a sprinkler. The water is sprayed all round. You must have seen sprinklers on our school ground too. Sprinkle irrigation helps as there is less water wastage, and watering plants and playground can be done faster. What is the intake of air through the nose called? The intake of air through the nose is called inhalation. When we breathe, children, when we breathe in, it is called inhalation. Suppose you are given a rose. We like to see how sweet it smells. So we breathe in. That is called inhalation. Inhalation and exhalation together is called breathing. We breathe in oxygen from the air and we breathe out carbon dioxide.